Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. And I was looking at them before we started, and I'm like, I don't know which one I like the best because they're all really, really awesome. So I'm going to show, we'll go this way. I never know. So this one is from our line called Stand and Say, and it's been very popular. You guys are freaking out about this, and I love that. But I know it looks funny because you can't read it, so here we go. Merry Christmas. Now, this designer who did this, Yvette made this one, love it. She did it out of foil cardstock, but she did not use the shadow die. There is a shadow die with it, so the choice is yours. Use it with the shadow die or without the shadow die. But look how it looks perfectly on a mini slimline. Now, originally when I designed this line, Stand and Say, we have it Happy Birthday, Thank You So Much. We have a whole bunch of different ones. They're really popular. But I designed it originally for the gatefold, the A2 gatefold. But look at how amazing they look on that slimline. And I have more samples to share with you, so hang tight. Next is a funny looking die. And you're going to say, I don't need that. But when you see my samples, you're going to say, oh my gosh, I need that now. It's kind of funny. Here we go. It is called an inside pop-up. I know it looks like nothing. I know. Ready? Let's look at this. Here we go. When you open your card, what? It pops up. Now, I did show a sneak peek of this about a month ago, and people went wild. So there it is. The cool thing about it, my friends, is you can use it for anything. Any theme. It's one of those that you're not going to put away. You're going to keep it out. Like I would keep it like right here on this little extra. I put my lids here underneath my fabric boxes. So I would put it like on the side here because I will be using it a lot. But look at how fun that is. And I have more samples. Don't worry. Oh my goodness. I love that. Now, this one. This next item was born because everyone loves our A2 dies. We have a lot of card dies. This is our A2. This is probably our most popular die set because it makes the perfect A2 card. You don't have to try to like trim it and then score it, and then it's not right. Then you have to trim it more and score it, trim it more and score it, and now it's a smaller card, right? No, so we have a die that does that, right? But people, and that's a horizontal card. But for A2, people will say, I want a top fold card. Well, the problem with a top fold card, my friends, is it would take the entire 8.5 by 11 sheet. And if you did not line those blades up perfectly, it wouldn't work. So I did something a little different. And I'm really excited about this one. We're calling it, and look how long it is. We're calling it the Top Fold A2 card die set. But it's with a twist, and I should have added with a twist because let me show it to you. Here's what it looks like. So normally this would be 8.5 by 11 inches, right, to make the card. But I didn't want you to struggle, and I know if I struggle with lining up those die blades, you would struggle as well, and that is not the right answer, right? We do not want to struggle when we're creating. So what this is this is much smaller than an 8.5 by 11 sheet. Look at this. The die itself, here's the die, is much shorter. It's about 1 inch shorter right here on the side, right? That is good because what we're going to do with that is we're going to add a border to the bottom. What do I mean? Let me show you this one. Here we go. You're going to, whoops, got two there. You're going to die cut it out of the green, right? Die cut it out of the green. Then you're going to add one of the borders. So here, yes, it comes with hello. It also comes with fun flowers. It comes with snowflakes, and it comes with stars. Lots of samples. Let's jump in and look at those samples right now so you can really see what I'm talking about. Look at those snowflakes, my friends. A2 card from A2 top fold, but look at the fun borders we are adding now. So there it is closed. And then when they open it, they get that fun add-on. And you are not getting frustrated trying to line up any weird lines to the cardstock, right? Of course, it comes with the layering dies, so you don't have to find those separate. Here is the flowers. Look at that, you guys. There it is. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that fun edge. Now, a couple things. Number one, you can add the border of the top of the words or any of the edges to the top. Or, oh, there's a top two. Here's top. You can also add them to the bottom, maybe to the back. Maybe the designers didn't do that. You could also glue it to the back if you want, to the inside of the card. So the choice is yours. Look how cute that is. Hello. Using two of them. with the little flowers on there. Isn't that fun? Here's another one. Happy birthday. I love that. There's that snowflake. Here's that hello I showed you. Here's another hello. So easy and so fun, right? I love that. I love this, using our square drop-in that says choose joy card front and then adding that border at the bottom. I love that. Ooh, or stars. So much fun. Now, take it up another notch and don't add anything. Look at this one. You don't have to add anything if you don't want to. So if you don't want to use the flowers, you don't want to use the snowflakes, you don't want to use the stars, you don't want to use the hello, don't add anything. Break some rules. That's not even a real rule. Look how awesome that is. Here is that snowflake. Here is that star. Here is that flower. Look at how fun those are. And here's another flower. I love those fun cutouts. And no frustration, because that's going to work on any 8.5 by 11 cardstock, but you don't have to worry about lining it up. Here's those stars again, 4th of July. Ooh, add one of our big circle dies on it. Happy birthday. Love it. Look how fun that is. I love that. Now, let's look at some of the stand and say Merry Christmas, because I already showed you this one. Isn't that gorgeous with our new, new set? I love that one. I told you, use your foil, use your glitter, use your hologram and your pearl for these gorgeous cards. Here's one with glitter. Look at this. Now this is on the gatefold. So remember, that's how I originally designed it. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Look at how cute that is. But look at how fun that Merry Christmas is on the gatefold. Or just do it on a regular A2. Look how awesome that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Again, with the pine branches. Ooh, or on a slimline tree. How cute is that? I love that. That fits perfectly. Die cut and go, you guys. Die cut and go. Boom, there you are. Ooh, or here's another one on an A2. I love it. Now, let's jump in and look at the inside pop-ups. Are you ready? Talk about every theme around. We have the best friendship. Open it up. What? Oh my goodness, now I'm going to get hungry. It's guacamole time. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Ready? What? I know, I love it. Okay. Ooh, so that's A2. Here is 5 by 7. Ooh, with a little Velcro dot. Ready? Oh gosh. Ooh, I haven't opened this one yet. This one's, who did this? Michelle. Ready? Get set. 5 by 7 gatefold. What? It is a whole family. We have a whole, okay. Can you imagine making these fun little snowmen and including, whenever you send a Christmas card, include the whole family? They are going to leave that out for display on their mantle. Look at that. That could be the whole family. I love that. Isn't that fun? This is on the 5. Oh, and she even has like a little pocket here so I could write another message and hide that in there. I absolutely love that. How fun is that? What? Oh my gosh, you guys. So simple, easy peasy, right? Here's another one. Wait for it. Wait for, oh, look at this. Look at how fun that is. Look at, it's like a scene. It's a whole scene. So fun. Let's look at this one. Happy winter. Ready? Look how gorgeous that is. Open it up. Butterflies. Look at how pretty that is with the glitter paper. Oh my goodness, stunning. Here's another inside one that we created. Look at that. What? So any theme, and look how fun that is just to leave it out on the desk. I love that. So my friends, go check it out, stampsoflife.com. The first 24 hours, you know the rules. The first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They are on flash sale. The first 24 hours or until sold out. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. You're going to be amazed. If you're a club member, of course, you're getting the club discount as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.